Welcome back to Sustainability Ventures, your space for innovation, awareness, and planet-focused transformation. Earth Green. Today, we're unpacking a topic that sounds positive on the surface, but deserves a closer look. Why are major energy companies partnering with environmental organizations? Is this accelerating real climate action or strategically managing public pressure? Because across the globe, oil, gas, and power companies are forming alliances with NGOs that once criticized them. Let's explore how these partnerships work, why they happen, and what they really mean for the climate transition. Over the last decade, something changed. Energy companies realized that public trust was falling, climate activism was rising, and investors were demanding ESG alignment. At the same time, environmental organizations faced funding gaps, limited access to industry data, and challenges scaling impact. The result? Strategic partnerships. These collaborations are now framed as multi-stakeholder climate action, just transition alliances, and nature-positive investment platforms. On paper, it looks like cooperation. In practice, it's more complicated. Let's be clear, these partnerships are not accidental. Energy companies partner with environmental organizations to improve credibility, reduce reputational risk, gain policy influence, strengthen ESG ratings, and access climate expertise. An NGO logo on a sustainability report sends a powerful message. We are working with trusted environmental voices. This can calm investors, soften public criticism, and improve regulatory standing. In many cases, the partnership itself becomes part of the strategy, not just the outcomes. Now, let's look at the other side. Why would environmental organizations work with energy companies? Because partnerships can offer funding for conservation projects, access to emissions and operational data, a seat at the decision-making table, influence over corporate practices. Some NGOs believe if we're not at the table, we can't shape the transition. Others see partnerships as a way to push incremental change, redirect capital toward cleaner solutions, and hold companies accountable from the inside. But this comes with risks. Here's where scrutiny matters. Not all partnerships drive meaningful climate outcomes. Common warning signs include NGOs advising on branding instead of emissions reduction, partnerships focused on pilot projects, not core operations, continued expansion of fossil fuel assets, emissions intensity reductions without absolute cuts, silence from NGOs on controversial projects. Sometimes, a small conservation project is highlighted while large fossil investments continue quietly. This doesn't mean every partnership is dishonest, but strategy can overshadow substance. Across regions, similar patterns appear. Energy companies often partner on biodiversity protection, methane reduction initiatives, carbon capture research, reforestation programs. Meanwhile, oil and gas production continues, long-term transition timelines remain vague, accountability mechanisms are weak. The partnership becomes a shield. We are working with respected environmental groups. But the core question remains: does this partnership reduce real-world emissions at scale? Partnerships can accelerate climate progress or delay it. The difference lies in transparency, accountability, and courage. If this video made you think, hit like. Subscribe to join our Sustainability Ventures community and tell me in the comments, should NGOs partner with fossil fuel companies at all or draw a hard line? The climate transition isn't just about technology, it's about trust. And trust is earned, not branded. Earth Shine.